Alrighty guys, so we are going to be getting into the HTML part for my to-do list. Now, I believe, well, for one, we need to change this title here. What I do want to end up seeing is real quick, I do want to go look at the video that I did watch for a second because I'm wondering how did he necessarily get the text box in? I'm assuming he probably did an input. We need to go for another div that is going to be like a class equals to, I don't know if this is how you would do it. I will honestly do uppercase is one. And I'm just going to straight up call this a to-do list. But I need that there to be able to target it. I'm assuming I do, but I'm trying to remember what I need in this div. Oh, this one's going to be my input. Okay, my bad. So we're going to go input. I believe we need an ID. So we're going to need an ID. We're going to need a type, which type is going to be text. Enter task. Dot, dot, dot. Is that normally how people do that? And then we're going to close that. So let's go and see how that's actually looking so far, if it's even working. Yes. Okay, so we got the enter task. We got our to-do list. I think my button should get a div. So we're going to go class, close that, give it its own div, and this is going to be button. And this button is going to say add. We're just going to straight up have an add button, and let's see how that works. Yes, sir. Probably. Like I said, I'm not sure if all these need divs. I'm going to make sure I take a look at what he did end up doing later. But this one, I want it to be for the UL, because I do remember that we need to have UL, and I think he did LI multiple times. I think he did about, but I believe he made it a note. So my thing is like, do I need to write the LI here? This probably doesn't need a class. Actually, I don't even think it's going to need a div for real. So I'm doing HRC, my SRC. I don't know what the hell that is. I'm simply doing rel. All right, it was only a little bit of a difference there. Okay, so we got that. So now we got the color. Now I'm going to kind of immediately jump into not even like 200 px. I'm thinking 500 because the way that looked. We got 200 px. I do kind of want it to be a little bit bigger. So let's go about 500 px. That is probably what, yeah, that's probably what I would want. I think. So I need to see, I think the border is like how you, what if I did, oh, I already did that. What the hell do you write in border again? I'm not sure. Is it outset? Is it things like that? Like, are you choosing? Oh, okay. Okay, I like that. I like that. Next, align center. So we can get everything up in that center. There we go. Those dots damn sure aren't coming. I'm actually going to get a bit into the font size. Probably just going to go medium here. And then I do want the font. Wait, not wait. I want the font style to be a sans. Oh, wait. Am I tripping? Oh, yeah, family. Family to be a sans serif one. It's going to be medium. Yeah, like something like that. Something like that. I don't really care what it looked like, though. I think I'm screwing myself. I think it's because I'm giving the button and the text box its own div when I believe I should probably give them separate divs. I mean the same div. So for instance, I want this button, but do I want it to be inside of my label for? Like what the hell is going on here? I think this might help me be able to do flex. Wait, do I do display flex box or display flex? Flex, and then you do flex 1. And then I believe I should be doing, what's the next one? I probably have to do like margin. Like 7, I think. Does that even make sense? Oh, you know, actually would work. Target input in itself, and then probably target input in itself and button, which and border radius. Let's just do 100 px just to see how much that would end up. Yo, I was filming so much, bro, and I didn't even notice that I wasn't even recording. So whatever y'all see here, man, is that's new. I don't even know, brother. I was talking as if I was recording, man. I'm livid. I had a whole 10-minute video here. Insane. I was literally about to end it. Like, I was like, okay, well, we're done for now. Anyway, this is the progress that we made. I don't know what y'all know, what y'all don't know. I don't know when the hell I paused it, when I didn't unpause it. but we got the enter task. Everything is round. I made it a little bit longer. I have the add button. Still need to actually, continue with that button. But do I want with the add button? Should I target button? Because then at that point, we need to do a button. Why the hell is that not working? I'm supposed to be doing hover. And then now let's see. Hover over it, does turn gray, I do kind of want that color though to be a different color. So maybe I should do, but I did the same color for here, honestly. Please. Okay, whatever. That looks clickable. I like that. It's an ugly color, but we are ugly here. Okay. First of all, oh, my hair is shining, brother. So first of all, now this looks great. What do you do? Oh yeah, that's another thing too. When I click on it, how do I get this border off? I just want to try it. There has to be something like input, click. Tell me there's a click. Border. How do I make it have no border? Black border you're seeing when you click is typically the focus outline. I told you though, I said it was something like this, but I'm like, brother, I don't know. Okay, so it's input focus, border none, outline none. So that probably would have screwed me because I wouldn't have known about that part. But I knew it, bro. I knew it. Border none. And then they did something else, which I kind of just want to see what it looks like straight up without the border. Okay. So either focus isn't working and they played me. But it's saying do input in text area, but I don't even have a text area. Maybe outline none if you want to remove all borders, including the default ones, even when not focused. Damn, I honestly don't think this will work. I got hyped for no reason. Let's see. It's like ChatGPT's playing. Oh, they ain't playing with me. First of all, why am I typing all the way to the damn left? Forward. Yeah, and then I'll figure out how more forward I need it. Why do I keep saying input text area? Oh, so I should have tried it myself because I figured it was padding. I'm pissed. I hate or 20. Am I tripping? What did it say? Oh, so it did say 12. I mean, I kind of like that it's here. I like my 20. Okay, that feels good. I should have just did it my damn self. I hate when I look up easy stuff. Y'all, I did it again where I paused the video and I wasn't filming, bro. I don't understand. All right, so I ended up getting this line because I have to remember that I wanted to have a line through when it is checked, which is good, which I don't even think I'm targeting that checked. Like, what am I targeting to be able to do what the hell I'm doing? I don't even know. Whatever, we're gonna figure it all out when JavaScript ends up coming into play, and then I'm able to click the button. If it doesn't cross out, then all that means is that I need to signify this with something, which I think I was supposed to signify it with either UL or LI. So I'm probably going to do like this. If I show y'all my HTML right now, I don't know if this is industry standard. Is this crowded? Should I space certain things out, right? Let me know. I'm open to some suggestions, to some help, and I am going to be ending this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Deuces.